This is the practice test for charts and graphs, and here we're looking at questions number 9 through 11. And the questions will be answered from this chart, and we see at the top of the chart how many animals get killed by hunters in Africa each year. And then we have on the left-hand column here, we have the different countries. And then as we go across each row, we have the number of animals that were killed in that country each year, the different types of animals. So for Tanzania, 250 lions, 300 leopards, 35 elephants, 2,000 buffalo, and so on for each country. And so once we have an understanding of the chart, then we can begin to answer the questions. And question number 9 says, which countries' hunters killed more elephants in Africa each year? So we want to look at the column for elephants and see which country killed the most. And we find it right here. It is Botswana, 270. Botswana is our answer. For question number 10, which animal was killed the least by hunters in Namibia? And we would go to Namibia and look across the row and see which animal was killed the least by hunters in that country. And we find it right here, it's only 2 white rhinos. And so our answer is the white rhino. And then on question number 11, how many more elephants were killed by hunters in Mozambique than in Tanzania? So we are concerned here with the number of elephants. First, in Mozambique, there were 40 elephants killed in Mozambique, and in Tanzania, there were 35 elephants killed. So how many more in Mozambique than Tanzania? We're going to subtract the 2 and find that the difference is 5, and 5 is our answer.